Konnichiwa. Welcome to the October Japan headlines for the fourth largest power market and in upheaval like every other global energy market. Let's get right to the top 10 headlines. So in the first week of trading, pretty good volume for a trial market. Of course, you can't make any money or lose any money, so why not go big? So the rules have come out, not final yet until the end of the year, but the way it's structured, if a company reduces its carbon footprint in a pretty aggressive manner, invests some money, et cetera, and they hit their goals, if the country as a whole doesn't hit their goals, they can't monetize them in the carbon market by selling the excess credits they've created. So not much of an incentive to get aggressive, at least the first 3 years. I wish I had shorted utility stocks in Japan beginning of this year. So Metis push a couple of months ago to force utilities into bilaterals is working. So month over month, we had 11% increase. And statistically, about a third of retailers' volumes can now be purchased on a bilateral from a utility generator. So that's good news. So in the spring, pretty much all the retailers stopped accepting new customers. In fact, many of them gave back to customers the utilities, which leads to the next headline. But so customers had nowhere to go. So they pretty much forced Metis' hand into, you got to allow retailers to at least recover costs based on wholesale prices in retail prices and not be stuck based on the old utility market cap. So now Metis is okay with market-based pricing. So the good news, this means hedging is now required. So we expect futures markets volumes to continue to keep climbing. Prime Minister Kishida is being blamed for inflation and high energy prices. If wherever you are in the world, I'm sure you've had that story in your country. So of course, the political solution is take it out of the tax revenues or go into debt or both. So we saw this coming because the retailers giving their customers back to utilities, some of them defaulting on their wheeling charges to utilities, and generally just, sitting on the sidelines. So Metis' answer, of course, is one, to approve market-based rates, and two, is make it even harder for new companies to get a license. How that's going to play out, we don't know because we haven't tested it yet by making an application for anybody. So trading volume jumped. The market on 4 different 30-minute segments hit $1,730 a megawatt hour. Wow. Sounds exciting, but when you think about how many new single-family homes are being built in Tokyo, this would be merely making a dent in global warming. So lots of announcements, primarily by generators, announcing PPA offers, etc. So that's why it's heating up, quote unquote. But in reality, the customer side is not so much, because they're all experiencing sticker shock on what a PPA costs for renewables. So that's it for this month. As always, give me a shout if you want to talk about any of these headlines or just Japan in general. Thanks for watching.